Hi, I'm Kavita Vijay Balan, a certified content marketing professional with 11 years of experience creating content and content strategy for regional and international online businesses. I'm here today to take you guys through a quick content writing tutorial. Don't go anywhere. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to give you effective tips on how to quickly write an article post on a topic that you have no knowledge of. The whole deal from ideation, keyword research, drafting, editing, and review. You can get all of this done in one working day. Stay tuned to see how. It's good to maintain a list of topics that you want to write about. Have an editorial calendar on Trello. If you're planning to write 2 topics per week, plan for 3 months in advance. After considering various factors like what's trending, seasonal hot topics, and so on, whenever the idea of a topic hits you, record it on Trello. This article I'm about to teach you to draft is your average 1,500 to 1,900 word types. Why so long, you ask? According to Backlinko, the average word count of a Google first page result is 1,890 words. We all want to top the search results, don't we? That is why. First comes the topic ideation. We need to nail down exactly what the topic is going to be. Let's say I have something vague along the lines of baking a cake on my list. And I can use keyword research tools without having to dent my pocket to arrive at the exact topic. I signed up for SEMrush account. Find the keyword magic tool within SEMrush. Make note that the features of this tool will be limited to 10 uses per day for the free account. Enter baking a cake and filter by region India, and this will open up results for your view with high search volumes. Take a close look at the KD or the keyword difficulty and the search volume. Ideally, the search volume should be high and the KD should be low. I've zeroed in on the topic, how to bake a cake in a microwave. SEMrush advises users to go ahead with keyword difficulty of 60 to 80 so that you have a good chance to outrank your competition. You can also try Neil Patel's free keyword research tool, Uber Suggest. You will find plenty of details in there that will help you narrow down the exact topic. Now that we're clear about the topic that we're going to write about, let's get started with the draft. But how and where to start? You can refer to the material from the top sources that showed up during your keyword research in SEMrush or Ubersuggest, that is, your top 10 source links. These are a good place to source information from and really understand what we are writing about. Or you can also Google yourself for the keywords, but make sure to pick only from the top 5 search results. And also, try to cover some aspect from your related searches. According to Neil Patel, those related searches represent what someone searched after they searched for your original term, meaning they're also interested in those. So it's crucial to touch on them in your article if you want them to stay. Google offers you free data, you just have to use it. So when you're researching and you come across content that you think will be useful for your article, cut, copy, and paste. This is a fairly simple step. Paste all the blurbs of content you can refer and use onto your text document. It's easier if you copy to a notepad first and then to Word. This removes all the formatting. Select one uniform font for the entire document. Now, arrange the article in an order that makes sense. This can take some time, but scan through the entire document and see what kind of order makes sense. Now the next step is the most challenging part. You will have to rewrite all of the content that you've now placed into the document. Use language that is natural to you, no flowery language and no fluff. Be right to the point. Usage of first and second person help connect to the reader and make them feel more involved, like they are part of the post. Let's start with CTA, that is the call to action. What is the action you would like for the reader to do at the end of the article? Perhaps link to another one of your articles online? Or to visit the website of the bakery you're writing the blog for and place an order? Post this, think of a question to begin the article with, similar to the one that the reader had in mind while he started to research the topic online. Now, start retyping the rest of the content that you've pasted with clear subheadings. Leave white space. That is, we don't want too much information crammed together. You want to leave white space so it's easy for the reader to scan through and take away the main points of the article without too much of an effort. Because let me ask you, when was the last time you read an article word by word online? Exactly. Chances are you skimmed through it. That's what readers are looking for, skimmable content. Now let's go to my favorite part of article writing, making the title and the meta description. I suggest you go with question-based titles, if they suit your topic, that is. Like for this one, we could easily go for something like, how do I bake a cake in a microwave? Or even listicles, they're extremely popular. Again, if they're relevant for the topic you choose, maybe you could do something like 5 steps to bake a cake in a microwave. Make sure that the title of the article does justice to the content of the article. We do not want the reader bouncing off the site after getting to the content page. Clickbait titles don't work anymore like they used to, so focus on user search intent instead. And for the meta description, what you write has to be catchy and bring in the keyword towards the beginning of the description. And also for the title, the keyword has to be inserted once. Now that you're done with drafting, yay! Let's run through the document for review. Read through it word by word and ensure that it's error-free. I roughly review a document a minimum of 3 to 4 times with small time intervals between each time to freshen up my mind. It really works, guys. You can use the SEMrush Writing Assistant to check for duplication if you're checking freelance material. It lets you use once a month for a free account. Or you can try a free tool like DupliChecker. Tools like Grammarly and the Word Doc F7 function are additional checks I recommend you take. I hope you found these tips useful. Thank you for watching my channel, eContent Marketer. Keep coming back for more updates. And also, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm serious, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.